Cost estimates done at the activity level include all resources cost, which consist of labor, material, equipment, services, and facilities to be used, as well as information technology costs if these can be allocated directly to an activity. Some other costs can also be allocated at the activity level, though these are more commonly applied at the overall project level or work package level. These costs include the costs of inflation, interest charges on loans, and cost of exchange rate variations. Contingency reserves may also be allocated at the activity level if the risk is only applicable to the activity, but usually contingency reserve is applied at the work package level. It is also quite possible that these additional costs mentioned above, besides the cost of the resources, may be set up as a separate item in the project cost baseline. So if the exchange rate is unfavorable to the project, the funds from that separate reserve may be used. If interest payments are to be made, these are paid from that reserve. For a multi-year project, an increase in cost due to inflation may be covered from that reserve. Besides cost estimate, it is a highly recommended practice to write down the basis of estimate. Let us say the cost estimate for a work package is $25,000. It may come as a surprise to many stakeholders. $25,000! That is too much! Why is it costing so much? We thought it will be about $10,000. The basis of estimate will help in this case. If properly documented, it can provide a wealth of information. It will provide answers to questions like, what are the various costs included in the estimate? How the estimate was done? Who was consulted? Which method was used? Then, what assumptions were made while estimating? Were there any constraints that may have increased the expected cost? Which risks were considered and which ones the contingency reserve has been established for? It may even provide the range of estimate and how much confidence is there in the estimate. Generally, the more detailed the estimate, the more the confidence in that estimate. So do not think of estimate as just a bunch of numbers. It actually ends up as a comprehensive set of information that helps when tracking project costs and when risks are identified or issues happen on the project.